Hey guys, Brozo here. So I decided to make this quick video. So my friend is nearly making $3,800 a month using this Redbubble tool which I'll be sharing in this video. Recently I had to start a new store from scratch and in just 3 weeks I managed to make around $57. And this tool is called Fuse GT's Redbubble tool. And please note that I have not been sponsored or anything like that. I'm just sharing this tool because it has helped me. So the moment you visit this website, you can see the trending tags on Redbubble, and it shows you the top 10 trending tags. As you can see, it says pro-choice, the summer I turned pretty, abortion rights, and these are the trending tags right now. And the data is from Redbubble, as you can see, and it shows you the top 10, and you can even click on them and it opens it in a new tab. So also you can even use the tag generator over here and generate again. Let's say for example festival. And you can generate tags, and as you can see these tags have been generated. You can even remove the tags that you don't think that it's relevant and then copy them and paste it on your Redbubble store. Finally, if you were to go to the Redbubble trending page, you can see more than 500 trending tags on Redbubble sorted alphabetically. Hopefully this tool would help you as it has helped me, and that is it. Thanks for watching. Bye.